Hey, do you want to learn how to use the style match feature in Canva? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. So first, one thing you need to keep in mind that it's not going to work with images. It's only going to work with graphics. So over here in Canva, you can see I've got this graphic here, which I've got from Elements, this one, and I've converted it into pop art and doodle style. So in order to convert your graphics into any other style, art style, you can click on it and then click on edit on top. Then on the left hand side, you're going to find style match. This is new feature and it's also a pro feature. So you need to get the Canva Pro in order to use it. Now you can click on see all and you're going to find all the art styles here. So you can go with doodle, watercolor, cartoon, and a lot more. This is the one that I've used for the second image that you see here. This is pop art style. And the third one, I've used Linocut. And yeah, that's it. That's how to use the style match feature in Canva. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Canva related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.